Are you tired of Netflix's streaming deadline and wish to download content without worrying about time limitations? In this video, we'll show you how to download Netflix videos and enjoy them offline at your convenience. Follow this step-by-step guide to access your favorite movies and shows even when you're not connected to the internet. Step 1. Check your Netflix subscription. Before you can download videos from Netflix, make sure you have the appropriate subscription plan. Netflix allows downloading for users with the standard or premium plans. The basic plan does not offer this feature. Step 2. Install the Netflix app. Netflix downloads are only available on the Netflix app. This means you cannot download content directly on a web browser. If you haven't already, download the Netflix app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android, or use the Windows 10 Netflix app from the Microsoft Store. Step 3. Log in to your account. Open the Netflix app and log in to your account using your Netflix credentials, email, and password. You need an active subscription to access content for download. Step 4. Find downloadable content. Not all content on Netflix is available for download due to licensing restrictions. To find downloadable titles, open the Netflix app. Navigate to the menu and select Available for Download. Browse through the list of available content and choose your favorite movie or TV show. Alternatively, you can search for specific titles by typing Download in the search bar. Step 5. Download the content. Once you've found your desired content, click on the title. Look for the download icon, a downward arrow, next to the episode or movie. Tap the icon to begin the download process. Wait for the download to finish. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Access your downloads. Once downloaded, you can access your content without an internet connection. To view your downloaded videos, open the menu in the Netflix app. Tap My Downloads. Find your downloaded titles and click to start watching offline. Step 7. Manage your downloads. You can download multiple movies and episodes at once, but you may need to manage your space depending on your device's storage. If you run out of space, you can delete downloaded titles once you're done watching. Re-download them later, if available. Step 8. Download without streaming. Deadline. One of the key advantages of downloading Netflix videos is the absence of streaming deadlines. Once the content is downloaded, you can watch it anytime, anywhere, without worrying about the streaming limits or internet issues. Tips: download in high quality. Check your app settings to choose your preferred download quality, standard or high, based on available storage and data usage. Automatic deletion. By default, Netflix may delete your downloaded content after a set period if you don't watch it in time. Be sure to manage your downloads to avoid any unexpected deletions. Conclusion: downloading Netflix videos allows you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies offline without the pressure of streaming deadlines. Simply follow these steps to enjoy Netflix content anytime, anywhere. Remember, you must have the appropriate subscription plan and use the Netflix app for downloads to work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy downloading! See